In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute chats on WhatsApp Web. If you've found yourself needing to reduce the noise from your social conversations, or if you're working and you want to focus without getting distracted every few minutes by notifications, muting chats is a fantastic feature that can help immensely. It's a simple process and I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, you need to ensure that you're logged into WhatsApp Web. Open your web browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. Make sure your device is connected while you do this because it's necessary to link WhatsApp Web with your phone. If you haven't linked them before, you'll see a QR code on your computer screen. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to the settings menu, select WhatsApp Web, and scan that QR code to sync them up. Now, once you are logged in, look at the left-hand side of your screen. This is where your chats live, in a neat column. Scroll through to find the specific chat that you want to mute. It could be from a busy group or maybe a very chatty friend, but either way, just click on that chat. This will open it in the main window of your WhatsApp web interface. Once the chat opens, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see the name of the chat or contact displayed prominently above the chat thread. This area not only shows the name, but also offers some options for managing the conversation settings. Click directly on the chat name at the top. This will bring up a drop-down menu or panel with several options related to that specific chat. Among these options, you will see one labeled Mute Notifications. Clicking on this option will allow you to silence notifications from this chat, providing you with some much-needed peace. When you click Mute Notifications, you'll be presented with choices for the duration you want the chat muted. You can choose to mute it for several hours, a week, or even a year, depending on how much of a break you want. It's a flexible feature designed to suit your personal needs. After selecting your preferred duration, just confirm your choice, and there you have it. The chat is now muted. Your notifications for this chat will be hushed for the duration you chose, giving you more control over your time and attention. Remember, muting a chat does not mean you won't be able to see messages. They simply won't pop up as alerts on your screen. If at any point you decide to unmute the chat, you just go back to the drop-down where the mute option was and select unmute. It's just as easy to reverse the silence. And that's it. You're now equipped to mute any chat on WhatsApp Web effortlessly.